We are reviewing 8.1 and 8.2 for our quiz tomorrow. And we're going to start with doing a couple of these, and then I'll let you guys do the rest on your own. So if we look at number 1, we've got 6 negative 4 times 6 to the 4th. So are their bases the same? Yes. So what rule should we do? Add them. What is negative 4 plus 4? 0. So we get 6 to the 0, and 6 to the 0 is 1. Anything to the 0 power is 1. Okay, let's move on to...
Can you do number 3?
I sure can. Let's look at number 3. X to the negative 2, y to the negative 3, times 5 to the 0. Okay, so let's start at the beginning. Is 2 taken to any power? Is there any power where 2 is taken to? No. It's not in parentheses. There's nothing it's taken to. Okay, we've got 2 exponents that are taken to negative, so they need to be on the bottom, okay, or the reciprocal. So we've got x squared and y cubed. 5 to the 0 power, 5 times to the 0 power is what? 1. If we multiply anything by 1, it's the same thing. Okay? Let's look at the back. Let's do number 9. To the 4th power. So remember, we're using, what do we call it? It's similar to what? The distributive property. I heard it very quietly. So we're taking 3 to the 4th and x squared to the 4th. So 3 times 3 is 9, times 3 is 27, times 3 is, I can't do it in my head, 81. Should have remembered that. And then x squared to the 4th gives me x to the 8th. Remember, when they're in parentheses like that, you're taking a power to a power. It's x to the 8th. I want you guys to look at 5, because 5 looks tricky. So we're going back to 5. We've got x to the 3rd power times x to the 5th power. I know there's parentheses here, but are the bases the same? So we're going to do what to the exponents? Add. So we get x to the 8th. I know there's parentheses, but it's not a power taken to a power. Yes, there is. Number, what? Can I do number 8? Sure. This is the last one, though, I'm doing. Then I want you to do the rest on your own. Okay. What are the coefficients, or the numbers in front here? Somebody raise their hand. Tell me what those are. This is an easy question. What are the numbers? Yes, Sebastian. Okay, what is negative 3 times 7, Sebastian? Thank you very much. Negative 21. Okay, now I'm going to look at the x's. I've got 2 x's here and 1 x here. So how many x's do I have? 2 and 1 makes... Okay, I've got 1 y here and 3 y's here, which makes 4 y's. I'm hearing it quietly, but I'm hearing it. I've got 2 z's here and 1 z here, so how many z's do I have? Done. Multiply the whole numbers in front, and then we know when we're multiplying exponents, when they have the same base, we just add those exponents. Okay, so remember, ladies and gentlemen, when when you are done with this, you are going to show me this finished and then check your answers. Give me a second so I can write my answers in. And you are going to do what now? Writing.